Dara's helping us unload groceries.
Just the raisins, those were your favorite. Oh, Daddy's gluten-free ginger snaps.
Look, where'd you go?
Oh, she's got the trail mix.
She's making a run for it. You making a run for it with the trail mix? Yeah, cool. You're Daddy's girl, aren't you? Yeah.
All right.
Smell you later.